Hello lovelies, welcome to Just Noble Craft. Today I'll be showing you how to make this beaded bracelet. Note that it can also be made into a beaded necklace such as this. Before we start, let me encourage you from the word. Proverbs 3 verse 3. Let love and faithfulness never leave you. Bind them around your neck, write them on the tablets of your heart. Praise the Lord. Going forward, we'll just need two sizes of crystal. A size 8 and a size 4, a necklace hook, a fishing line 0.35 or 0.25. Then we'll fix our needle, our beading needle, into the two sides or two ends of the fishing line. Then you tie the fishing line to the necklace hook. Like you can see, you tie 2 to 3, 4 times to secure it and make sure it's very tight. Then on one end of the fishing line you take 4 size 4 crystals. Then at the other end you take one size 8 crystal. Please watch very well. This other end you take one size 8 crystal. Then you take another size 4 crystal on this fishing line, the one that you put the size 8. Then use it to cross or to pass over, just like this. This is the first step. So this is what the first step looks like. Then from this fishing line, that one I touched now, you take 4 size 4 crystal. Like, let me call this a millipede kind of shape. So the other end you take one size 8 crystal, like you interchange it. Then use one size 4 crystal to pass it over, to cross it over. So guys, at this point I'll remind you to subscribe so that you can see DIYs such as this, like and share. You can also follow us on social media handles, Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, Just Noble Collection. And if you have any question or any design you want us to practice, you can also get me either in the comment section or you come to my social media handles and I'll answer you. So when we get to this stage, know that it's important to know the hand or the neck measurement of your client. So this one I'm going to leave it at 7 inch, both with the hook. 7 inch. So you tie it to the other end. If the person is slim, make it 6.5. If the person is chubby, you can make it 7.5 or 8. But knowing the hand measurement of your client is very important so that it fits very well, perfectly to the person's hands. So when we get to the end, we'll secure our fishing line to the other end of our hook. It's a necklace hook, but we're using it to make a bangle. So you secure it the way you started it, the way you started in the first video. You tie 3 to 4 times. Then you make sure that you pass your fishing line across the bead into the beads. You understand? That is where you're going to now cut it out so that it's very neat and you've secured the bead from getting caught to avoid any story such as that. So you can also check the link in the description to see how we made the necklace and the earring of this bangle. So guys, we'll come to the end of this video. I hope you got value. Thank you for watching. Do have a nice day. Bye.